Bye. Uh-oh. Rain. No. Not rain. Oh, it is as well. No. Not rain. Can't believe it. Right, Charles, let's put the waterproofs on. Another banana here again. Okay, let's go. Getting used to this now. I know I'll forget. Probably be riding in my suit most of the day, I should think. Oh, that's a long lane over. Yeah, I can't see now, steaming up. Bugger. Yeah, don't nag me about pin locks. Disastrous things, yeah. Never had much luck when it was in and my helmet was closed, never mind. Otherwise, no, gonna try it up the face. For a minute. Can't see. Oh, that was good timing from getting the tank going. No entry. One way. One way. That's an unexpected chance. Didn't expect that. I didn't realise that was a one-way road. I'm sure not many people use that as a one-way road. Alright, let's go. Dead end. So I've got to go this way. Yeah, it's good. Got all the gear away. And I got my waterproofs on before I get wet. Overboard barge there. It's a house and a half, isn't it? Right, we're on the search for Patisserie and Coffee channel. Nowhere to sit though. Nowhere to sit. Can't stand out in the rain. Oh, look at all the barges. Wow, large barges there. Must have been old coal barges people have converted. Hey, channel, good morning. Well, it started raining just as I was leaving camp, so no excuse me to put the water. You don't want it. Bloody microphone. It's on when I don't want it, and when I want it, it's not on. Anyway, yeah, so I just caught the rain. It's still very light rain out there, but it's enough to get you soaked, you see what I mean. I think I'm going to have to go into my winter trousers as well tonight. I think this is it now. It doesn't matter, it doesn't bother me. I just need to change the gear over. Anyway, I can enjoy my homemade breakfast here. You kind of just pick bits and then shove it together. 10 Aussie dollars for a croissant and coffee. I'm losing touch with prices now, no idea if that's good or bad. Centre. I guess the difference is the architecture. A lot of this is brick. €18, 11, just over 11 litres. there's no parking for motors again. I could do to put his there, so I'm going to put mine next to it. Right, so this is a museum, but it's not open for half an hour. But anyway, look familiar, channel? It's the museum to honour the cartoonist who did TinTin. Another explorer, kind of. There we go, let's go and have a look at the museum. Well, I think the museum's not quite open yet. There's a museum. So just have a wander around. Got about 20 minutes, I think, before it's open. Let's go. There you go, John. Here's the front of the museum. Looks like it's going to be quite good, actually, just poking through the windows a minute ago. So I just got nothing to do, there's nothing around. The coffee shop doesn't open either until the same time as the museum. Anyway, so we'll just find a seat somewhere and chill, have a look at the next part of the journey. Here we go, third floor. The museum starts. Can't get the audio guide down there. Very creative. It's gonna be a good museum, this got a good feeling. Fun. This is really worth coming to if you're in the area, John. Folks, it's very well presented. Especially if you're on an adventure like me, because it's all about TinTin's adventures, isn't it? They've got some really good layouts. I've got to go straight through here, I'll come back to this bit, hang on. I just love these mock-ups. They do. Cool, it's a bit like Jules Verne's, isn't it? There you go, John, another map. So next year, hopefully we're doing a side trip to Egypt while the bike is being shipped to Middle East. Mecca, this is all Saudi Arabia and Oman and Yemen. And then we're going to ship to India and spend lots of time in India. And then take a break while the bike is being shipped to Asia. Now I can't see it on here, that's China. Calcutta, here, down here. I think this is, Indonesia, is it? And Asia, down here. And then back down into Australia. So not much left now, really. 3 hops and I'll be home. Hop, skip and a jump. This is a really good museum. You could spend hours in here. You could really spend a lot of time in this museum. I highly recommend it. There we go. Some of the covers from some of the magazines. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I guess an optical illusion there, you're going to fall. That red cross doesn't come out visually as much off camera. Are there any other patterns? It's kind of all one colour stripes, isn't it? That's in lines. It's funny, isn't it? The camera's picking up a different pattern. Hell, what sort of roads were going on? I presume we're going this way, it's not quite clear. Come on, Google. Pick up. Yeah. Okay, that was really good. I spent, what, an hour? Nearly hour and a half in there. Could spend 2 hours at least. And they've got a good selection of books and stuff in the gift shop, which I missed at the Jules Verne's one. Jules Verne, should I say, not Verne, it's Verne. else, they didn't have any. Which is disappointing. I was hoping to buy up at the... So we're going to do a McDonald's in each country just about. Mike's just there. Yeah, TinTin Museum was really good. Definitely worth going. If you're going to Brussels, I'd get a day trip out there and go and see. Anyway, just stopped and looking at the weather again. It looks like it might rain. Might be getting the overalls out. I'm not making very good progress either, so it's going to be a 6 o'clock camp tonight. Anyway, go on. Oh, it's there. It's right. Google for that one. Got a couple of them outside. Quite famous. Why? It's a standing staircase that replaced a vandalised lookout tower over the village. I don't know. Yeah, apparently there's a lookout over the town here, wooden one, traditional wooden one, like a tower style, and it got vandalised. So the brief was, make something that's not going to get burnt down, because the wooden one got burnt down apparently. So it's going to have a look. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get to camp tonight. I had a good session on Atlas Obscura and Google last night. No. Right. There we go. Well, there's Belgium. Typical Belgium. Judge your own distance there. Don't know which way I'm going next, mind you. I think I'll be going on that road there, that little black road. Oh well. Time to get this thing out. I haven't used it very much on this trip yet. A biker came up this way and slipped tyres. It's only just joined. It's a bit worrying sometimes, but that was fun, wasn't it? Today is going to be a fun day. Source, Eindhoven in the Netherlands now, by the way. Yeah, so across the border. Welcome to the Netherlands. I hope I can park at this place. Too much hassle because it is a city location again. I'd say this is a city, not a town. Small city, but it's a city. Look like I don't have to leave the bike for more than a couple of minutes. So here it is. Let's turn it around, there you go. Get that. Can't do it with a helmet, for the full bike here. Anyway, welcome to Silly Walks. Grew up Monty Python. It was one of the things that was trending again. Probably its second run actually by that time, because it would have been out well before that, wasn't it? In the late 60s, early 70s, I think. Some of the Monty Python stuff. So when I was in the 80s, it would have been its second run. Okay. Oh no. Oh yeah, that's right. Kilometres left channel. It's looking better, isn't it? A bit more country-ish. Bike's covered again. It's never open, is it, to show you? So I don't quite know what the deal is here. There's the sun going down. So I'm in the Netherlands. I know what the deal with this campsite is, though. I can't find anybody to pay. This might be a freebie. I need it. Europe is costing me a lot of money. Even doing it very basically. Well, I know I spent quite a lot today actually, but that museum and the book. But yeah, Europe is expensive channel.